How to be the best version of yourself? Let me show you. Done. How to be the best version of yourself? You want another one? That's good. Done. How to be the best version of yourself? You don't believe me yet? Classic raw chicken. So soft. Very good. How to be the best version of yourself? Here's a quick tutorial for free because I'm a sweet guy. That is good. The fat, the best part. Wow. Fat combined with the muscle meat. Perfect combination. Nature's little gift for your taste buds, buddy. So, how to be the best version of yourself? Let me show you. Haven't had tuna in a while. Wow. It's crazy that I can get wild caught tuna from the other side of the world at the same price that I can get wild caught salmon that's been got from the lakes and rivers here in Finland. At the same time, that's kinda cool that I can experience the tuna because tuna is really good. But at the same time, it's kinda insane how this system works. That they can flow in this tuna from Pacific Ocean and still sell it at the same price that some fish from the lake freaking 1 kilometer away from where I live. Pretty ridiculous. Oh yeah, we had a tutorial going. How to be the best version of yourself. Let me show you. Raw milk. If you wanna be the pasteurized version of yourself, you drink pasteurized garbage milk. Oh man, that is good. Oh man, that's good. Oh man. How to be the best version of yourself. Love is good. Oh yeah, how to be the best version of yourself. Let's get it up. There we go. Hey. Oh Oh man. What the hell? I got a lot of good ass food, real nutritious food here, but this beats it all. Man. Nature's little gift inside of those beef bones. That's next level good. Holy fucking. Being the best version of yourself. We all have capability to do it with ease. Only thing we need to do is follow our own nature. We have an incredibly good feedback loop that tells us what's good and what's not good for us. But we have been born into, and we continue to live in extremely and unnatural environment and conditions for human beings. That's why we have lost, or we are confused by these signs that our body, our heart, our mind, our nature tells us about what's going on. Because we have been going against him, or some of the things, all our lives. So we can believe what's good for us is this thing or that thing. We can't believe that. That's called being brainwashed NPC normie man. Discipline. No. That's not how you be the best version of yourself. Willpower to wake up at 5 a.m. Even though everything inside of you is screaming for you to continue your sleep for a couple more hours. No, not the best version of yourself. Jumping in an iceberg or icy lake. Because this or that told you so. But what does your body tell you? No. Eat and eat, dog. Not the best version of yourself. Mastering, memorizing these man-made symbols written in paper. I can memorize this or that like symbols. I can make myself sound real smart for these people and those people. Because I memorized good. I memorized very good these things. Not the best version of yourself. Mastering this skill that has no meaning in itself, just so I can be the best in the world. I can get a medal. I can get attention. But what happens when I become the best in the world in this skill? I have spent all this time. I have sacrificed so much energy. I have sacrificed so much time. I have sacrificed so many resources to master this skill. And what did it got me? Maybe it got you something. Maybe not. If you were gifted, it can indirectly help you to become the best version of yourself, but that skill itself, not the best version of yourself. Searching answers. From there. Is it there? There's the answers. This guy knows what the fuck he's talking about. Now I found it from this text. No, this person has it. Jesus has it. Buddha has it. Islam, Allah, Inshallah. No, the way. It's the way. No, it's Donald Trump. Joe Biden. Israel has the answers. No, it's Ukraine. Same thing. You have the answers. Inside of yourself. And when you find them, the searching stops. And you just be. You're chilling. Playing with your family, friends. Spending time together with your loved ones. Family, friends. Chilling. Just being with them. That's how you become the best version of yourself. Play or perform? Which one? Your choice. Health equals being the best version of yourself. And health is easy AF. It ain't complicated. We all, no matter how intelligent we are, we can all be the best versions of ourselves. And remember, it's not other people. You can only be as good as you can be. Better start accepting that sooner or later. Otherwise, it's gonna be a whole lot of living through other people. Is that becoming the best version of yourself? Don't think so. It's been another real one. This episode was finger freaking licking you. The healthiest video you see. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one, because best science never gonna stop.